We want to put you in a position where we are actually allowing you to use AI to then get better at your craft. So in this example, you could do this inside of OpenAI's ChatGPT. You could do it inside of Google Gemini. You could do it with Apple Intelligence. Any product that has a generative AI capability, Meta or Llama or any of those, that Claude, it doesn't matter. They all can do the same thing. But what we're going to do is simply go into ChatGPT and say, hey, play the role of a dealership service department customer. What objections would you have if I recommended rotor resurfacing? Now, why would we do that? Why would he ask ChatGPT to come up with objections? It's pretty simple. What we're trying to do is make ourselves better so that when we call out to a customer, we'll be prepared. If you think about what Kyle was just referencing as he was going through this and doing some of these training tips, he always has a plan for what's going to happen next. And if you know what the customer's possible objections are, guess what that allows you to do? Be prepared to answer them. Now, if you want to be next level, you could actually do a follow-up to ChatGPT and say, now that you've come up with these objections, share with me some best practice on how I could overcome them. And then ChatGPT will just take them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and run right through and it'll do that. The cool thing about this is once you understand this little tip, you can apply this to anything that you're doing. You can ask it to help you with brakes or alignment or a timing belt or any of the different things that you're potentially pitching to a customer. You just ask it, what are the potential objections? And then you say as a follow-up, how could I overcome them? And ChatGPT will spit it out and it'll give you some good stuff. So that's a little peek behind the engine of how you can actually use generative AI today in your business right now to help you get better. So practice, get your objections, be prepared to overcome them, and be prepared when that customer asks you, well, I don't have the money to do it today. No problem. We actually have a ServiceNow Pay Later program through Sunbit. I'll text you the link. We can go ahead and get you approved for that, and I can get the repair taken care of. So you're ready to go no matter what happens. All right, Kyle, thank you